All right, and that's what you end up with. Tons more clearance. So your stock radius arms and your bolts, the shorter bolts that are left over. Easy peasy. So maybe I can show in here. So those little spacers that you saw, they give clearance for the thicker bar. No doubt you could use washers or something if you want to be all shade tree about it, but I mean Polaris offers the spacers available, so might as well use them. So again, these are OEM Polaris parts off the Trail and Rocks Edition XP1000. Solid bar, no heim joints. They got those little rubber boots on there too. Focus. Good or bad, I don't know, whatever. So the OEM ones that came on the turbo are hollow. Smaller and hollow. Thicker and solid. Cool. Right on. Super easy. I love using OEM parts. So there you go. Rear radius arms on a 2018 XP Turbo using OEM Polaris parts. This has been Bullet Outdoors. Peace.